Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small mochi DIY quiet book to show you guys, and this is the season 3 of small mochi, and I know that they have released the season 4 too, but yeah, I know I am a little bit late. Not a little bit, but it's a lot time to wait because like I'm in New Zealand, so it takes time to ship to my country. And yeah, at least I am happy that I can get this one, and I got it from Taobao, which is a Chinese website. So the country that about to order this is really limited. It just feel like under 10 countries. So I think everyone can have a look in AliExpress, because for the small mochi always available in AliExpress, but the price I'm not sure, because it's kind of expensive for AliExpress, not like Taobao. But like for Taobao you need to know how to read Chinese, and also you need to pay like twice payments for transport and also for all the products. So it's complicated for you guys if you are not really oh my god, not really know how to use Taobao app. So yeah, try to get from AliExpress. It is a little bit expensive, but like you can feel comfortable to order any products. And this is not a sponsor video, but I just guide to you guys, because like I know like some of the audience here want to know where can I get it and how to do it. So I just show you guys like a little bit from here. I'm not do a whole video with this book because it take a lot times, but it is fun if you do it alone at home. Because I remember the first season of the small mochi, I used about like I think 6.5 hours altogether. So it's really take too long for me to do that. And yeah, and the season 2, season 3 is take more time, because every upgrade they upgrade the new stuff to do. And this one, for this one, it have 400 plus of the material, like like the piece of the sticker. It have 400 plus, and it have eight page to play for this one. And it still have like a little material, like a 3D, like a phone or anything in there. So look at this. So we have like this is a background that we have, and we plus extra of this sticker. So what I say, like 400 paste for this, they count in 400 paste. And this also come with the I think this one is look like a pocket that you can put anything, and this is like a ball to play. So this is something extra on top. So let's see together what I can get inside. So this is just an unbox and tell you guys what I have inside, and I don't do anything. I know if I finish this one, there's a lot of people watch that, but as I say, it take a lot of long time for me to do that. And YouTube and this one, it's just like my hobby when I do it 3 times. So if I take it too long, I cannot do that. It's I mean, like I feel like I am overworked. It's not like journal. For journal, I can do like, I just use like 30 minutes or 20 minutes. I can finish one journal. It's okay to me. But for this one, take too long. I don't have enough time to do that. But as I mentioned before, it is fun for you guys because you bought it for play. So you can do it like one page and then keep it for another day and do another page. So yeah, it's quite fun, and for me it's too much. But yeah, but in this video I will guide you guys like how to do. Okay, so this is the material that we got from small mochi. So this is a stick, sorry, this is a glue tabs, like a glue sticker. And this one we stick together. You need to open like this, because something you need to stick on the box with one tweezer and one two side tape. Okay, so this is, okay, I talked to this one later because it will connect together. Okay, so there's a lot of material here. Cool. So this is a pocket that I mentioned before. So for this one, you can keep material, or you can, I think in this material, maybe normally it have a one of the introduction, like a manual, but I don't see any in here. So the thing is, we need to look at for this. So you can use number 13, it have a number, this one, to stick on any of this, maybe in any page of this, but normally it have one manual in here, but I don't see any. So I'm not really sure, so let's see together. So this is the 400 piece that I mentioned before. There are many and cute of the small mochi, and this is magnetic, so you don't need to use any tape for this one. So you just peel it and stick it on the top. So yeah, it's nice, but I found out that if I use this if I use normal paper and use the tape, it really make my nail hurt. But for this one, it's good. You just take it out and stick it on. But the thing is, it will fall down. So to me, it's not easy for both. Because first time I got the magnetic, I just feel like, oh, it's great. I can get the magnetic one. I don't hurt my nail anymore. But after that, I just feel like this one, I just feel like it feels hard, then you need a sticker. So the best thing, I have a trick for you guys. Even you have a paper, or even you have with this magnetic, you can use a glue tape. So I found out when I use glue tape, I don't hurt my finger, and yeah, it stick to the paper. So it's good to use this one. You don't need to peel. But the thing that you need to remember, if you want this glue tape, you need to buy one for your own. So you need to spend more for this one, but it'll take you a lot of easy way to use. So good. So this is my tip and tricks. I use this one on my first one because, you know, it's, as I mentioned, it has 400 piece of this. So 400 piece, you can imagination, like you stick the tape for 400 piece. How do you feel? It's feel like you broken your nail. But if you do use this one, it's much more easier to use this. Okay, so I show you guys the picture already, and this is some extra, you know, like in some piece, this one, example for this one, can you see this one? So you need to use the tab, this kind of tab, to use this one and this one to hold it and make another pictures. So this is something very tricky, so you need to find out. I really want to find out where is it, because like normally it have one menu, but I see at the back it doesn't show anything to me. Yeah, it doesn't show anything, so it's hard. Oh, okay. So just like this one. So in order to make on this one, you put another layer on top. So this is something you put a layer on the top of the picture. So yeah, that's what it's called. So I think they miss something. They should have a manual to use. So this is really tricky. So like this camera, if you want, it's just like an extra layer to use like a real camera. So you need to you take it out by yourself and see the tray like this, like a dot part. You take it out and put like this, and you put the sticker. Yeah, I will try this one for you guys to see. So you put a sticker here. Sorry, not a sticker, the tab. Or otherwise, if you feel like you don't hurt your finger, you can use a glue tab as I mentioned before. Okay, so you put like this. And what we can do next? Yeah, so this is something you need to put like this. Yeah, inside, and another picture inside. So this is how you do it. But I hope they have a menu box again, because like it doesn't have anything. So you just put inside and stick in the book. So this is something like another fun to use. Yes, just like this one, you can make like a drawer, and this one also look nice. It just look like a mess. Cool. So this is what it comes with. And this is another package. And also for this transparent, normally you use it with the door, like a layer. So you need to put it like a window. It will show you guys where to put the window. And what is this? Oh, it seems like a tab to me. So let's see for this background. I need to check this background too. Okay, so this is the first background. This is something about the pad, and this is something about the camera. So where the camera? So like this picture, can you see the camera here? So I need to put that camera over here. This is the layer, the extra layer that I told you guys. You need to put here, and you put like the picture in here, so you can exchange or swap anytime you want. If you have two pictures like this, you can swap like this, or you put one back in the pocket and put one back. So this is something tricky and layer on the top. So okay, we still have another few page. How about this? It seems like, yeah, like this. So this is like underwater, like ocean, aquarium. So this is something you put fish, mermaid, look like this one, and you put like the ice cream one on this side. This is what I told you before. And for this one, it is a maze, like a garden maze. It look like a game. So you need to put this kind of the maze in the frames. So the thing is, you need to take this one out and you put a sticker. But example, like I don't want just the sticker. Let me try this one. I just feel like it's comfortable. For me, it's really comfortable. How to put it? Okay, cool. See that? You can stick it already, and you can put some more on the top, like a gaming, a lot of them. And this is, you can make like a real like a die. And this is cool. So it have like a lot of material, so it will be a square one. So all this material you can put in a pocket that I show you guys at the first the beginning of the video. Okay, so this is about a haunting house. Yeah, it's a haunted house. It's something about vampire, about ghosts, about something scary in here. This is the background of this one. And for this one, it's about the museum. So it feels like, yeah, it feels like you store something, like, you know, like museum, right? So you need to store something like in the pictures. And for this one, grocery store. this one is the page 7. It's about the grocery store, and yeah, this is look cool. So the last part is about racing, about the car racing. So this is about sport. Okay, so this is all. So I think like you can have a lot of fun with the small mochi. Yeah, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It's just a guidance, so I hope you guys enjoy and play with this video, and I suggest you guys found on the YouTubes. I think have a few YouTube channel. They do do it. I mean, like furnish this quiet book, but to me I haven't do anything, so you can check from other channel. Yeah, I don't bother that you check other channel than me, because like as long as it helpful to you and you feel enjoy, just go for it. And yeah, they will do step by step, and you can see how they do it. So in this video I just guide you guys that what inside this box and what you need to do with this paper, and what like tip and tricks with this one. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoy with this video, and I hope you guys have I mean, like if you have any question or any comment, you can let me know inside this video, and I hope you enjoy with that. Okay, thank you, and see you again in next video. Bye bye.